Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making fake nails from cotton. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Dear Arnold. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. And if you want to be featured in my next video, comment something down below. So now we're going to get straight on to this video. I'm going to be showing you two different methods as well as the removal process. So for the first method, you're going to be needing nail tips. If you don't have any, you can make your own using any kind of plastic that you have lying around the house. So first cut out a strip and bend it around a pencil to get the shape of a nail. Now I'm cutting actual tips out of them. You want to make sure that they fit perfectly from side to side, and you can shape them however you want. I did a coffin shape. I am cutting a lot of tips because I ended up doing only one nail because I really couldn't be bothered. Now sanitize your hands, not only because of coronavirus, but also because the alcohol will dry out your nails. Next, take a nail file and push back your cuticles. This is completely optional, but I just do it anyways. Also, you want to buff your natural nail so that the nails will last longer. Next, apply a base coat. This will protect your natural nails from damage and will also make the removal process a lot easier. Next, take a cotton pad or a ball and begin to tear it apart. You want to make the pieces as small as possible so that the nails will be easier to form and so that it will be less chunky, which makes filing easier. You're also going to be needing tweezers. If you don't have any, you can make your own by taking two wooden sticks, tying them at the top with an elastic, and by inserting a piece of bits paper in between the sticks. Now file the inside of the tip. This will make it stick on better. Then you're going to be needing some nail glue and apply some to the tip and hold it in place for at least 10 seconds. You want to make sure the sides are really stuck on. Next, get some base coat and apply it only to your natural nail, not the tip. Then take some of the fluff and press it into the polish. You may need to break them into smaller pieces again, but make sure this whole section is covered. Then, once it's dry, you are going to take some nail glue and cover this section. I used base coat, but it's better to use nail glue. Now use the nail glue and start to build up the tip. Here I'm showing you that the other tweezers do work, which was very stressful, by the way. Give it a little pat to check if it's dry. And once it is dried, you can begin the next layer. I alternated between the nail polish and the nail glue. I recommend using nail glue throughout, as it dries faster and creates a harder nail. So anyways, you want to keep adding the fluff, cotton, not fluff, until you're happy with the thickness of your nail. Once you've done that, take a nail file and file the whole thing. You need to smoothen out the top and the sides to give it the ideal shape. Then apply another layer of base coat. Then you can paint it however you like. This method was pretty great in the end, but actually doing the nails was very time consuming and quite hard to do. But thankfully the other method was much easier. By the way guys, if you have any video ideas, comment down below. So this is the final result. It has great thickness, it's very strong, and when you paint them they kind of look like acrylics. Now we're moving on to the removal process. First thing you want to do is to remove the polish on your nails. And then cut off the extension. Now soak your nails in nail polish or acetone for 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, you will notice that you can easily remove the cotton. And you also just want to pop off the tip. It shouldn't be that hard to do, as there was a base coat underneath it. Finally, rehydrate your nails using cuticle oil. If you don't have any, you can use coconut oil. As you can see, the nails are completely damage free. Now we are going to be moving on to the second method. And this time we don't need the tip. So again, apply base coat, obviously to protect the nails. And then cut the cotton pad into a tip. If you're doing a short nail, split it in half. Apply another layer of base coat, and before it dries, stick on the tip. Then cut off the excess and cover the whole thing in nail glue. This will harden the nail. Apply to the front and the back at least 2 times. Then file it to smooth it out and paint the nail. And you're done. That's all we have for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with friends and family. Bye!